ká tó pàtìrì ká sì mọ̀ bí mẹ́ ká dé wà bẹ́ẹ̀.
And this is our government of India.
A widespread APC in Osun State.
Tell us the reason for this meeting.
The
meeting that was just held.
The meeting had always existed, but because of COVID, the meeting had not held for a long time. So I want to wake them up, and I say, don't forget yourself. You are the elders in Osun. Start holding meetings. That's the reason for this. It's the beginning of elders' activity to move the party forward in Osun State.
So what is the group, the caucus, doing to resolve the crisis within the APC in Osun State?
We are doing all our best. There will be no crisis before election.
What will you advise the members of the party across the state ahead of next year's governorship election?
Our activities will inform everybody as to what we are doing. We come from different constituencies, and we are going back to let them know we have started, to be active, to be more active than we were.
And what role are you taking to ensure victory for Governor Igwe Igwetola's victory next election?
I don't know who will be, but our candidate will win the election.
Sir, in respect of the zoning presidency to the south, what is your take on it?
My party has no constitution for zoning. The south will be ready to slug it out with the north, and whoever becomes our candidate will win the presidency. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.